Namaskar, warm greetings to all. I Gaurav Pant, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at GLA University, Mathura, welcome you all to the world of automobile engineering within our university. GLA University is graded with A grade by NAAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council, and it is ranked number 1 amongst the private universities in Uttar Pradesh. So I feel privileged to welcome you all on behalf of such a grand university. We run our specialized program on automobile engineering, foreseeing the coming demand in the field of automotives in this modern era of modernization. These days, each of us want to commute as per our own space and comfort and desire. And this fascinating branch just encourages us to do so by enriching the world with the latest engine and allied technologies. Our curriculum is totally streamlined with the latest trends, that is electric hybrid vehicle, all-terrain vehicle, etc. We are having our in-house dedicated Center of Automotive Research, also known as CAR, where our students team work relentlessly to convert their ideas into realities. Our Society of Automotive Engineers, GLA University chapter, also motivates us affluently to get into the new technologies by giving the due exposure to them. It is a society totally governed for the students and by the students' ethics. Under the aegis of SAGLAU student chapter, many of our students have got significant recognition in national and international level automobile fiestas. For example, SAE Baha, SAE Supra, SAE Virtuals, Go-Kart Championship, Eco-Kart Championship, etc. to name a few. Recently, our students have got significant recognition in SAE Baha Virtuals held in Chitkara University, Chandigarh. And their ATV is now all set for the upcoming Mega ATV Championship 2020, which is stuck due to COVID-19 right now. Altogether, many of our students' projects fully funded by IEDC, Government of India, have been patented, which clearly show our strong research and development culture. The venture of our students, Treadmelon India Limited, is an example of such startups by our students via our incubation cell. This company produces Tread E-Cycle, an eco-friendly multi-purpose cycle. In this row, other projects are 4-wheel steering, hybrid bike, optimized inbuilt hydraulic jack, etc. Such initiatives give a heavy dose of morale boost to the budding engineers. If we talk about the placements aspect, every year a large number of key recruiters from automobiles, auto components and tool sectors visit GLA University for placements. And they offer a lucrative package embedded with a challenging career. The examples of such companies are Hero Motors, Honda CL, Bajaj, Ashok Leyland, Uno Minda, Padmini VNA, JK Tires, Seat, Piaggio, etc. to name a few. So we are having a strong dedicated cell for automobile industries, and we are enriched with such a great placements for automobile sector. So in this note, I welcome you all to the fascinating career in the field of automobile engineering in our university. So I expect your eminent presence in GLA University soon. Thank you so much, and all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.